that we have issues with. But each time there is this issue, you will always see the larger Ijos from Bayelsa, from from River State and all those states coming to speak on issue that you know nothing about. That is why we are telling the world that no, the Shekiri, we do not just fall from heaven. We are Yorubas. We are now back to our brothers. That what is happening to your brothers in Delta State today affect everybody, affect all Yorubas. That is why you saw the Yorubas addressing the joint world conference.
The Shekiri man said that whenever they Shekiri people are having issues with the Jos in Delta State, that the Ijaw people in Ondo State, Bayelsa State and River State comes in defense of the Ijaw people in Delta State. That they will be talking as if they know what is happening, but they don't know. All they know is they just want to defend their Ijaw brothers in Delta State. The Ijaw people in Delta State are having land issues with Isekiri people. No be today that land issue matter down there. They don't they all the time fight, quarrel. Why are the Ijaw people in Bayelsa State, Ondo State, and River State fighting in defense of the Ijaw people in Delta State? It's simply because they are one people. They see themselves as brothers. They see themselves as family. And because of that, they are always ready to defend each other. Have you ever seen the Ijos in Delta State saying that they are not Ijaw people? No. Have you ever seen the Ijos in Ondo State saying that they are not Ijaw people? No. Have you ever seen the Ijos in Bayelsa State saying that they are not Ijaw people? No. That is the power of knowing where you belong, knowing your family. That is the power of being in a unified umbrella. The Isekiri man said that they Isekiri people did not fall from the sky. He said that they Isekiri people are Yoruba people and that they are now back to their Yoruba brothers. He said that what Isekiri people are passing through in Delta State is affecting all Yoruba people. And that is why Yoruba people are involved in Isekiri issue in Delta State. This fight where Isekiri people, they fight with Urobo and the Ijaw people for this Delta State. Yoruba people from Ile-Ife, Oyo and many other places, they stand with Isekiri people. Isekiri people get mind, they fight that fight now because their Yoruba brother stood by them. Some Isekiri people will tell you that they Isekiri people are not Yoruba people. But as this issue they heat up now, so many Isekiri people are now saying that they Isekiri people are Yoruba people. And that is because they know that Yoruba nation will fully stand by them. Anywhere the matter won't be, make it be. That is the case of Ibanke people in Edo State. In the past, Ibanke people will tell you that they are not Igbo people. Some of them will tell you that they are Igbo people, but majority of them will tell you that they are not Igbo people, that they are Ibanke people. As the Oba of Benin starts to dey trouble them, which people can't stand by them? None. Their Ika brothers in Delta State did not stand by them. Their own Ika brothers where they Delta State, where they speak the same dialect with Ibanke people. None of them make any move to defend Ibanke people. And that is because Ika people not love themselves. They have no love. Those people not love themselves. If you see them for TikTok, Ika one, they don't mind all those people. They don't love themselves. The only people that stood up for Ibanke people is Igbo in the southeast through the help of the Igbo Unification Movement and the National Socio-Cultural Organization. The Igbo Unification Movement stood up for Ibanke people. We go Ibanke community for Edo State, stand with them. Tell the Oba of Benin say, he not go fit do Ibanke people anything. The Ika brothers dey for Delta State, they play. Why? People will not come from Ika, now them they fight the fight we are not supposed fight for our brothers in Edo State. The Igbo Unification Movement, Ndi Nasobia Socio-Cultural Organization, Ohaneze Igbo, and Igbo Nation entirely stood with Ibanke people. Now why the Oba of Benin no fit do pass the way he don't do. If not, Oba Obini for don carry police, DSS, army, go dey scatter Ibanke community, go dey arrest Ibanke kings, but he no go fit try am. As he dey now, Oba Obini no go fit try am. Because if he try am, that means he dey fight Igbo nation, not be Ibanke people again. The issue between the Oba Obini and the Ibanke community is Oba Obini and Igbo nation, not be with Ibanke community again. Why is Igbo nation fighting for Ibanke people? It's simply because Ibanke people are Igbo people. Ibanke people are part of the Igbo family. We will never leave our brother behind. That is what Yoruba people are doing for Isekiri people. Where we say, know where you belong, be where you belong. Some of our people for Animal Land say that Igbo people, if problem come, which people will come defend you? As Okwane land, they now say, we begin get issue for Okwane land. Which people go come stand by us? Will Yoruba people come in our defense? No. Will Ijaw people come in our defense? No. Will Urobo people, our closest neighbors, come for our defense? No. Will Hausa Fulani people come for our defense? No. Will Akwa Ibom people come for our defense? No. The only people that will come for the defense of Okwane people is our Igbo brothers in the southeast. Instead, some Okwane people tell you say, we done our own, we not be Igbo people. If anything happen for Okwane land, it's for Okwane people alone. There is nothing Igbo about us. They go they talk rubbish. People will not know themselves. See as Ishekiri people, they embrace their Yoruba brothers. Then they go embrace Yoruba leaders to come for their rescue. Some Urobo people go to say, Isekiri people are doing it alone. Urobo people don't know say the fight between them and the Isekiri people not be them and the Isekiri people again. Now between them and Yoruba nation. The fight between Isekiri people and the Ijaw people not be Isekiri and the Ijaw again. Now between Ijaw and the Yoruba nation. If they say now only Isekiri people stand alone, their own for don't finish now. How many Isekiri people? They go just wipe them out. How many Ibanke people dey? Oba Obini for don't deal with Ibanke people pass like that. But you not go fit. Because power don't change hand. Igbo nation stand with Ibanke people. Okwane people, which people go stand with una if issue arise for Okwane land? If external enemies start to attack we Okwane people, which people are we going to call on? Say our brothers make una come on our defense. So which people are we Okwane people going to call on? If you ask them this question now, they're not going to talk. They're going to talk say, such a thing not going to happen. We are peaceful people. Ibanke people, they be troublemakers. Ibanke people about Benin, they look for their trouble. They be troublemakers. No. We Okwane people should know where we belong. Make we know where our family dey. We Okwane people are Igbo people. Look at how Isekiri people are saying that they are Yoruba people. As Igbo nation came to the defense of Ibanke people can realize say we be Igbo people. They started digging out their history. They can see say there be one people with our Igbo brothers in the southeast. Minority they suffer. If you stand alone, enemies go they won't march on your head to take wetin belong to you because they don't see say you live where you supposed to belong. That is why it is so dangerous to deny your Igbo identity. There is no benefit in being a minority. That is why minorities in Nigeria, if they pepper them say they be minority. Nigeria have 3 major ethnic groups: Igbo, Hausa, and Yoruba. Any Igboid speaking region that says they are not Igbo people, now themselves that they do. Any Yoruba region where to say they not be Yoruba people, now themselves that they do. Any Hausa speaking region where to say they not be Hausa people, now themselves that they do. Any region that is part of that 3 major ethnic group in Nigeria, they are supposed to be proud of themselves. If you be Okwane person, stick to Igbo ethnic nationality where you belong. If you be Ikwe person, stick to Igbo ethnic nationality. That is where you belong. Igbo is an umbrella that protects every Bia speaking people worldwide. See as Ishekiri people embrace Yoruba. That is because they are Yoruba people. See as Ibanke embrace Igbo because they are Igbo people. Now during the time of trouble, you go take know who be your brother true. When the Oba of Benin suspended the kings of Ibanke people, no ethnic nationality in Nigeria stood in defense of Ibanke people. Why didn't they stand in defense of Ibanke people? Because they are not one people with Ibanke people. They see say, nothing concern we and the Ibanke people. We and them not they speak the same language. We don't have the same culture and tradition. We don't have the same origin. We are different people from them entirely. So let them fight their fights. Other tribes and ethnic nationality know say the fight for Ibanke people is meant for Igbo nation. So if as the Oba of Benin they insult Ibanke people, say Igbo nation no come, other ethnic nationalities go dey talk say, see as Oba of Benin they marginalize Ibanke people, Igbo people will be their brother, not fit stand for them. If Igbo nation not stand up for Ibanke people, people will still talk. They will talk say, Igbo people not love themselves. See as Oba of Benin they marginalize their brother for Edo State, they not fit do anything. People will leave your fight for you to fight. Any fight where you get, now your papa go fight am for you. Your father is expected to defend you. Your father is expected to fight your fight. Another person, papa not go leave your own children fight. They fight your own fight. Your fight is meant for your father to fight for you. Unity is our father. Unity is our umbrella. And that is why we are expected to nurture that unity. Even when the dialect of Isekiri people not be like the dialect of Ile-Ife people, it not be like the dialect of Oyo people, they still recognize themselves as Yoruba people. The Olu of Isekiri is from Benin, but Isekiri people are Yoruba people. If the Olu of Isekiri tell Isekiri people say, we Isekiri people are Benin people, Isekiri people go tell and say, no, say now you come from Benin. You are Benin, we Isekiri people are Yoruba. Isekiri people recognized where their ancestors came from, which is Yoruba land. And as Isekiri people tell they say they be Yoruba people, other Yoruba people will come for their defense. And that is the same thing that Ibanke people did. Okwane people should not wait for trouble to come to Okwane land before they accept their Igbo identity. Ika people should not wait for trouble to come before they accept their Igbo identity. Because they thought say, now when trouble come, you go know who be your brother true. And as trouble come for Ibanke people, they know say, Igbo people na their brother. Igbo people na their blood. Igbo people na their family. Igbo nation is where they belong. After waiting, the Oba of Benin do Ibanke people, Ibanke kings went to the National Assembly telling senators that they are Igbo people indigenous in Edo State, that they are being marginalized, that they want to join Anioma State through boundary adjustments. And that is because they know that Anioma State is an Igbo state. And if they find themselves in Anioma State, they will be able to express themselves. They will feel among because that is where they belong. But instead, some kind of people they talk say, we not be Igbo people, we are Delta people. We want to remain in Delta State. Delta State is our home. People that don't know where they belong. The ones where they for Edo State, they talk say, they won't come out for Edo States. May they deal with their people for Anioma land. Ibanke people are not saying, Anioma State must remain in the South. If you go join Southeast, we not go join them. Their own now, whether na South today or na Southeast today, they want to get Anioma State. Now for Okwane land, you go see people where be say they get resources, yet they suffer. Now person when not get sense, they feel say there is power in being a minority. In the whole of Anioma land, Ika is the smallest. For guys say they get land, say they're plenty. They are the smallest because they lack unity. There's no unity in Ika land. Now for Ika land, you're going to see some Ika people that say, if Nigeria divide, we Ika people, we can live on our own. We don't want to join Biafra. This, that. They're going to talk different things. Ibanke people now, they not fit fight for Edo State. People will not fit defend themselves. People will not fit speak up for themselves. Now I want live alone if Nigeria divide. I call the Ika a very tiny minority because they lack unity. As Okwane land dey, if Oba of Benin insult any Okwane community, say he won't come out their Okwaluku or anything, you go see the way the whole Okwane people go unite, they fight the Oba of Benin. Say we cannot try them again. Even as Ukwana people, they get identity crisis, then they stand up for each other, then they defend themselves. Ukwana people, they help each other to reach the top, like to help each other. Not as people they help each other with money financially for you to grow, like the way our Igbo brothers they do for Southeast. Ukwana people not get that time. They want to make everybody go suffer. But when it comes to defense, they defend each other. What are we talking about? We are talking about the importance of unity, the importance of knowing where you belong. That is what we are talking about. We Ukwana people, we are Igbo people. Make we not wait when problem go come before we go start to say we be Igbo people. By language, by culture, by tradition, we Ukwana people are Igbo people. The right place for we Ukwana people to be is with our Igbo brothers in the Southeast. That is why it's expected of we Ukwana people to support Anyoma state creation and the Southeast zoning. Insecurity people dey for South. They don't say they be Yoruba people. Say there be one people with Yoruba people in the Southwest. Some Ukwana people go for Delta State now. No, we not be Igbo people. We just be Ukwana people. We stand alone. Ukwana people, Ika people, Ikure people, and many others that are denying their Igbo identity. Wake up and know where you belong. We are Igbo people. A word is enough for the wise. Ishiagwale.